It's way in the early. In fact, it's so early in the morning that I'm messing up my speech already. I'm going to take a test, hopefully. And then I got one tonight too, so I'm going to take 2 today. And sorry, there's stuff on the screen. And hopefully that will be the last ones today. We'll see how it goes though. But if they're done today, then I don't have to do nothing for the next couple weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm off since school's gonna start right now. Get ready to go to school again. Today's final number 2. Where's my glasses? I can't see without them. Yeah, so 2 finals in one day. I probably just said day 2, but what I meant was final 2, day 1. Can't believe I've got 2 finals in one day, but whatever. So, I'm getting ready to go. Yeah, there's a lot of Christmas card mess on the table. And my tree! Yeah, I'm happy for my tree. But, school time. I will talk to you guys later. At least I hope I will. If I don't know what I'm going to do. Amazing! 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 What? Oh, cute little puppy. Yeah. Alright, school time. Sorry, guys. I am done with school. Yeah. I got a couple things to do for a couple classes, but nothing really big. Sorry, I'm in the bathroom and I'm just checking to make sure there's nobody here so it's not like weird. I'm all holding this camera in the bathroom. Somebody walks in like, hey, you're filming in here. So, yeah. Anyway, done with school, technically. Going home. So guess what? I'm supposed to be fixing this. So, that's what I'm going to do. I got this package right here. And it's got all the stuff I need to fix the screen. Including the screen. And everything that goes with it. So, I'm going to show you how to fix this screen right here. The first step is to pop these up with the tool that you have here. So I'm going to do that real quick and I'll show you. So guess what? Not only is the glass broken, but the screen is broken too. So, I have to order a new screen now, which won't come for a little bit. So we'll see how that works. Plus I have this ticket here to deal with. And, so today is not turning out very good. It's nice to get mail. It's not nice to get mail that isn't very good. I'm going to bed. Maybe tomorrow will be good.